David. David Liu, and I'm the founder of Intelligence Report and Colin B. And I used to work as a senior software engineer in JP Morgan Chase and Comcast. So I've been focused on the large scale financial system and design and support engineering. So currently, besides online classes, I am also focused on our Princeton, Westminster, Principal area, AP classes and online courses. So this is me. So today I will give you a introduction to AI, ChatGPT. So we have 45 minutes, and I'll give you a short introduction to what's the ChatGPT do, and its capability, and explore basic interaction method and practice real world, and etc. So understand how and what a GPT is and how it works, and we learn some prompts. I will show you in hand what is the prompt and how to do the prompting and make it more efficient. Okay. So any questions? So how it works. So ChatGPT, we process a text message. So why ChatGPT, when it launched almost 2 years ago, it was so amazing to the world because it was the first text using the text and text generation to answer our questions. So it can analyze immediately compared to traditional like a Google search or other search engine. It's totally different because it look like human beings interaction so direct. So that's why our ChatGPT is really different from the traditional search engine. And it's built on advanced machine learning model, training on vast amounts of text data. I will not introduce the detail because it's about very complicated algorithm and design. So I just give you a very short introduction. And a lot of people will wonder, can you think? Can ChatGPT think? Actually, we will say no. Even the OpenAI, its parent company, OpenAI, will say no. Actually, this is what we concerned, human concerned, scientists and software engineer exploring concerned, because so far, by prediction that by the end of 2030, the AI can have such similar intelligence like a human thinking. This is a scientist that they predict. We don't know, but I'm looking forward how it works. Okay, so let's go back to the ChatGPT, the practice. Today I will give you the short hands-on practice, like how prompts it works, and summarize like a newsletter and create a short Excel file. And how can we just use the ChatGPT to update, to generate Excel files? So this is today I will demo to show you how to do. First of all, let's go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. When we come to the screen, it will ask the login page. Take for example, if I go to the chat, you'll go to login here. If I log out, it will redirect the user to the login page. And you click and login. Right now, there is two options. One is use pre-written, pre-login information with your email. The other one is you can continue your Google. If you ask me which one I prefer, I will prefer continue with Google, because Google collaborate with ChatGPT, so you can choose one of your multiple Gmails to log in. At this moment, I will choose this one. When you log in successfully, then on the upper right corner, it will show you the icon. This is your login icon, and you click, and it will show you the task, the list. Today, I will show you the settings. The first, the theme park, there's the dark and the light. I will strongly suggest you use the dark mode, because the dark mode, we recommend people we use the dark mode in computer, a laptop, a screen, because this will make our eyes, our vision more comfortable. So this is I recommend. You can change. If right now on your screen it's like light, I recommend you change to dark. Okay, this is all the information. And also I want to share with you, notify the data control. Please, you can try on your end, go to the data control here, improve the model for everyone. This is for, you can see what they say, allow your content to be used to train OpenAI models, which makes the ChatGPT better for you and for everyone who use it. So personally, I turn it off. So I recommend you turn it off. We don't want our information to be trained in the hands of OpenAI. So you click on that. So this is the basic tips I want to share with you. Also about the subscription. We have there is two options for ChatGPT. Right now, I have subscribed as ChatGPT Plus. So I need to pay every month. Oh. Sorry. $20 for ChatGPT. If you don't pay, you still can use ChatGPT, but it will be the legacy ChatGPT 4 legacy model. You will ask me what's the difference between Plus and the free version. The most biggest difference between these two versions is you will be very, very limited to use ChatGPT if you are using free version. So if you use maybe 8 to 10 requests, you will be limited, and maybe 2 to 3 hours you back again. However, you use ChatGPT 4 for all with ChatGPT Plus, they will be fine. You can chat, you can do your work almost without a limit. Uh, last last month, as I knew that OpenAI, they have another plan for $200. $200. They say that it's ultimate version. So it's for enterprise, for companies, for organizations. So it said that it's the highest, the most premium version for ChatGPT. As I know the latest news from ChatGPT, they are planning to have $2,000 per month. So let's see if how it works. So ChatGPT 4.0 is the most the model there for everyone. It can do complete and satisfy every task for human for 90% of our work in office, in science, or whatever. So this is 4.0. Of course, it has 0.1. 0.1 is advanced. So you can ask me what's the difference. 0.1 it will be more accurate. However, sometimes it will be slower. And a 4.0 will be enough for everyone. So today I will use the 4.0 for the demonstration. Okay. This is what I will share with you. The how to do the prompt. Okay, how to do the prompt. Usually we have 6 parts of the prompting. Okay, 6 prompts of the prompting, and like we tasks to human being, to our friends, to anyone, we test. For ChatGPT, they are always standby, so we have tasks to ask ChatGPT to complete what we are asking for. So first, we don't need to introduce ourselves, say, hello, my name is David Liu. Would you please do this one for me? No, we don't need to. We just directly say, hey, generate, give me something, write me something, rewrite this email, or analyze something for me. Of course, like this one example, I am a 65 kg male, give me a 3-month training program. However, this is give me is a verb, so I suggest this one, give me a 3-month training program. It's better to put ahead the first. So like this one, we'll show you. Okay. So just very straightforward. The task will be the first word we will directly ask using a verb like give, generate, analyze. So after this first sentence, the second sentence, you just give it a content. So because I am a 65 kilogram male, so give them, narrow down. Oh, I am male and I am 65 kilograms. However, the first, we give them the task. So first, the prompting, we give them a task and give them the context. So using a verb, and it could be a very simple task, right? So like a generate, right? 3 months training program for me to follow. Okay, how about this one? Analyze the correct user feedback from an event we just ran. Summarize the top 3 takeaways with a focus on the business impact, and categorize the result based on the team responsible. So these sentences we use analyze and summarize, take away, and categorize. So for ChatGPT, they will do this test for us. So you can next time when you are asked by the manager or director, hey, this is a report, you need to have these features of analyzation or categorize. You can use this word or these sentences for your report. So the next, I will introduce the context. The context is we need to narrow down to limit and list the possibility. So what's the background? Who does success look like, and what environment are they? Right. So I give you an example. I am a certified male is the background. So success look like this. 5 kgs. All right. So 5 kg muscles over the. I will have a training program and to gain 5 kg muscles after 3 months. Okay. So environment is that because hey, I didn't go to the gym every day, so I go to the gym twice a week with 1 hour each section. So I only have time to go to the gym twice a week for 1 hour each session. So what do we do is I will do this one. So you see, I just said that give me a 3-month program. I am 65-kilogram male. Right now, I ate a contest, narrowed down, say, hey, because I have no time, I twice a week and 1 hour each session. So ChatGPT, he knows the content need. He will narrow down and rewrite the program for me. So you can see the update. And each time, if this is the final version, what we can do? Convert to dot word. So convert to DVD file. Convert to PDF file, then you PDF file, right? So PDF file. Yes. So go to you open the file. Yeah. So you will like this one. So like a PowerPoint file. So again, we give them a task, then give it a contact. Contact means to narrow down with some limited possibility, right? So then the result will be more accurate. So like poorly written Okay, like a poorly written, like a poorly written, like this one. This is also happened to me actually. Uh, so if we have this one, this is poor written, right? So task, we write this bullet point and use the structure. Structure. Yes. So first, if you think your writing is not so good, it's poorly written, you can ask using a word, please rewrite with some blue point, like rewrite this bullet point using a structure. Like I compress A by major Y that results Z. So it can rework for you in rewriting this one. Okay, this will happen in office report or email or a manager between the teams, between the reports. The manager asks, so we can do this one. If we think this is our writing is not so good, even poorly written, we can use these tips. And exemplar is actually is equal to examples. So based on my resume, take for example, based on my own resume, please help me structure an answer to the interview question. What is your biggest weakness? I remember this has been one of the most interview questions I had prepared each time. So, however, I want to share with you is we can use STR, STAR answer framework. This is I want to share with you for lots of interview preparation prep. It's a situation, task, action, and a result. So it's not only give you the answer, it can give you the situation, what kind of which problem interviewer will ask, and what kind of question, and what you will take action and result. So let's try this one. Queries I locate intend to the multiple response beta one special planner. So is situation, it gives you the situation and the task. I realize to improve my efficiency and I need to focus on prioritize the task, etc. So action is to what did I do? So I implement a manager. So this is like interview preparation, interview preps. So it can simulate the question and situation. If it's enough, you can ask more. Give me 3 more. Right? 3 more. So give your example 1, example 2, example 3. Of course, you can, after reading all examples, you can narrow down to ask again. So this is why GPT can speed up our work, office work, or any interview preparation. Any. Okay. Another example I want to share with you is if this is example, if you are the current position, take for example, you are hiring manager, right? And example, and the contact is your hiring manager, your current in the market team. So this is you have the contact, and you ask, this is your task. Pre-draft the job description using the format of this existing job description below. You can copy any job description from any of current the format you want to be in LinkedIn. So you can copy this one and follow this one. Then you can do what you want to be. So you can change. You are here in the team. What kind of team? Responsible for what? And your team primarily focus on the task for this one. And please draft the job description using the format of this existing job description below. So this is can be for you. In afterwards, you can use this one. So the fourth I want to introduce you is the persona. So who do you want AI to be? Think of someone you wish you had instant access to be with the task you are facing. Like you are a legendary investor, Warren Buffett, or you are the master storyteller, Steve Jobs. You are the most charming, handsome, witty, intelligent, well-dressed, well-liked. Definitely not insecure YouTube David Liu. Okay, for example, I give you first the task. Draft an announcement email, okay, as you were Batman, right? So this is a task. Narrow down the task. Contest. This event will be last for 2 days and will have a combination of a team building. Okay. This will be this. Yes. Okay. So we give it a subject calling all the heroes, join me for the Gotham Today team for the summit. Hey, dear team in the Silver City. So this is based on what? We are Batman, right? Doing a Batman. So this is the email. Yes. Bruce Wayne. So this is like a story writing, storytelling. So this is one of the function of the ChatGPT. You just tell them what you want to be in the storytelling or email, right? So again, always have the verb in the first. Draft, generate, give, create the action, what we want to be. And narrow down as the context. Then the examples, okay? So the format. So the other one, the next one, I will introduce the format. The format is a close eyes. The format is that after what kind of result, what kind of format you expect ChatGPT will show display to you. So close the eye and visualize how exactly we want the end result to look like a minion slide, right? So take for example, we collect a user feedback in the Google or Meta after online event we run. Please categorize the user feedback based on which you want to be. Okay. Oh, feedback or categorize. So this is good. He asked me, please provide a user feedback you like categorize. So this is you need to have the user feedback in hand. No matter what kind of file, Word, Excel, you can upload here. Using the Word, using the bottom, here, you can upload the file to the ChatGPT and click the enter. Then it will categorize for you. So example email, reproof this email and below and correct all the typos, grammar mistake, bold all of changes like you want. Okay, so you put email here, you put the email here, and it will show you in bold. Okay, it will show you a board in bold. I think this is good. When I prepared for this demo class today, I also learned this one in bold. So that means if any grammar or mistake, it will highlight all the change in bold. Okay. Show you. Oh no. Show. All right. I don't have email, but this one is provide the email you like to. Okay. Again, please use this one. Email proofread and ask him use the bold in bold. Then it will give you the grammar and the typo. Okay. All right. Check it. Anyone want to come in? Okay. Let's back here. The tone. The tone is interesting and the one of you it will enlighten, it will change all the result you want to be. Take for example, I am writing an email. You want to be taken serious without coming to as a stock and question. Can you please give me a list 5 tones keywords I can include in a prompt? Okay, ChatGPT. So this one. Wow, good. Immediately he gave me 5 keywords you can use in prompt to achieve professional as approachable tone as your email. Confidence, professional, approachable to convey, to maintain, to ensure, to communicate, right? This better to show, consider. So this word, tone, to convey, right? Confident, professional, approachable, clear, and respectable. So these 5 tone keywords is he recommends us we can use in a prompt to achieve a professional. approachable tone. So this we can use an email. This case I want to share with you is good, interesting. Take for example, if you are a senior product manager at Apple, and this is what you got, you want to okay. You want to be, you want to write it to the Tim Cook, okay, the current CEO of the Apple, but I changed the last name. Okay. Share this position news. You want to talk to him directly with an email. So what kind of email it would be? Because it's your CEO, but you need to report to him. So before you construct this email, I think it's very important to you. So the email, exactly, you need to search a website or ask ChatGPT. This one, this is what I search. Did I search? Okay. So this is what I searched before. So this is example internal email. I mean to the team code for our share this one. So we ask ChatGPT, hey, this is a template you need to follow. Okay. Ask ChatGPT, please follow the example I provide you with the tone. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it to see what's going on. What will happen? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Right. So Apple Card. So you also give you the subject line, milestone, achievement. Oh, it's good because you want to report to CEO. Of course, you are using the word keyword in the milestone, right? Tell him directly. Oh, we have the order. We order surprise expectation. So this email is based on the example we provide ChatGPT. Okay. Yes. So we can take a look. And general can have the blog. Oh, this one today I also want to share with you the blog. Especially Instagram, if we want to create a new story page for sharing information of restaurant, food, or you and your family or friends, you go to anywhere like you want to share with them where you are. Here, for example, right now, my family and I, we are Yellowstone Park National Park. I want to write a story about national park, right? So 100 words about a story. So what do you do? Or a restaurant, right? So you can write like this one. Create an 150 words Instagram story. Again, this is a task. Create how many? 150 word Instagram story for Instagram story post. For what? For Agricola Eatery. Oh, it looked like this is a restaurant which is located in where? Princeton downtown. So please have a story based on their website, each line or location, business hour, and website. Oh, someone is asking to join. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, okay. Yes. Welcome. Welcome. Yes. So let's try Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola Italy. Sorry, I supposed to give a link here. So I click and copy and paste to my ChatGPT. Okay, now I copy the text, a task, and with test. Ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, right now I am going to use my Instagram. Could you please create in 150 words Instagram story post for Agricola Eatery, which is in Princeton downtown? And I also provide a ChatGPT with the website. Okay, let's see what will happen. Wow. Amazing, right? 150 words. So it give you, okay, the introduction, this restaurant information based on what I provided. And also the location, right? The location and business hour, all the information is here. And also the website. So you just copy and paste on your own Instagram. That's it. And of course, you add one photo or multiple photos. That's it, and you upload. Done. So I think this is very useful for uh, for frequent user who is like stick on Instagram. You can use this one. You can use this one. Create 100 or 50 word Instagram story, post for what? For restaurant, for scenery, for location, for hotel, anything you want to be. You want to share with your friends. You want to share with the world. Okay, and of course the best is to provide the information of the location you want to share. Okay, the website or anything you want to share. So this is can help a lot for ChatGPT. It can analyze the information through the website directly. Okay. Yes. It's back to here. Summarize and summarize. Okay. Okay. Also, yes, in office work, sometimes I think the demo, right, or your teams or director share with you the internal articles or reports. Once you got the reports, no matter what kind of document format, it doesn't matter. You just saved in your local folder, and you can say, of course, it's better you read by yourself, but how to summarize? You can ask ChatGPT to help you summarize and categorize for you. So take for example, or you just read an article, any article on website, blogs, website, any website, and you just give ChatGPT with a link, web link, and ask him, hey, summarize this article, this blog in 100, 200 words with 6, 5, 10 highlights for you. Okay, let's try this one. Yes. Let's try this one. This is I choose for you. I choose the blogs written by the CEO of NVIDIA, Jason Huang. He gave the talks for NVIDIA. So I asked the ChatGPT, hey, give me 5 highlights. What Jason he talked. Okay, this is what this article from Jason Huang. Okay, so this very help you to quickly to catch the point. Okay, however, it's still better you read the article or blogs by yourself, of course. However, you can compare to the highlights ChatGPT did for you. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So this is one of the reason happened, right? National. I mean, as we know that right now, California wildfire still has been raging across the southern Los Angeles, right? So how about we can ask ChatGPT, hey, would you suggest 5 ideas for the problem, for the solutions? Okay. So take, for example, California wildfire has been raging across the southern CA. Please suggest 10 most efficient and workable suggestions for government to prevent down the road. Yes. Yes. Okay. Right. You give me the 10. But it looks like, wow, some even though I would say, wow, you give me so vague, right? So you can narrow down. How about, what about greater? Right? You can say, hey, how about the California government and federal government? What can I do? What can I do? Right? You can narrow down what you want to be. You want to ask, right? Even though you say, how about, what about, what about? Okay, how about laws, federal laws, right? How about state, right? It can so quickly answer us, right? So it can dip other questions. Okay. For the daily to-do list, for example, create a to-do list for enhanced personal and family financial management. Oh, I think this is everyone who is the most interested, one of most interesting things want to know, right? So create a list for you. Okay, how the budget, right? Give you the to-do list and how to start every day. Also, work early, practice gratitude, hydrate, move your body. Okay, meditate or practice mindful or pray. Plan your daily, right? Use the planner. Eat a healthy breakfast. Okay, yes. Read or learn something new. Yes. Mindset, right? Check finance every day. Is that optional? Yes, but it's better to check the finance every day. So this is the ChatGPT can create a checklist. Okay, so write a short point. Okay, the last one, write a short point. You can also write a point. Both. This is for our nation, USA, right? Wow, so quick. To the United States. So this is for the writing, for the point writing for literature. So as I knew that somebody also used the chat GPT, created ebooks, electronic books, and then sell on Amazon.com. You can try to write a poem. Amazing, right? Okay. Okay. I also want to share with you how to do the last one. It's uh, Excel, Excel file, Excel file. Create an Excel file, Excel file. This is my Excel file. They have two. They have. They have. They have three tabs: revenue, email, and stuff. Right. You can ask ChatGPT that tab, for example, you can ask him what's the number one country in revenue tape here. So what's the average of revenue? You can ask him. So here. Create XYZ. So on the email, create this one, this one, this one. I will show you here. So we have uploaded an Excel file to ChatGPT. So you can say that wow. See? Average is probably 4.13. So you see, it's so smart. It can show you directly. It can show you. It can extract the tab, the contents of the tab, and answer you the average of the revenue. Okay. The next, if you want to do by yourself on Excel file, and you tell me the formula. Formula. You see, because the formula, the first time I asked, he maybe I am not accurate ask. So he said, "Oh, this is natural, like a mathematics math formula, how to get an average." So he answered me with this one. I said, "Oh, no, I want to know the formula in Excel. In Excel. So this is a formula. Okay. So this is a formula. This is a formula. This is a formula. I copy and paste 7.8. Wow, 7.8. Yes, whatever. 7.8 here. So you can ask. Traditionally, we when we do Excel file, sometimes we don't know. We don't know. Of course, most of the time we don't know how to use the function, right? So you can ask. You can ask. You can ask your GPT and help you. Right now, Office 365, you have two options. One, you pay monthly fee for Copilot AI for Office 365. Then they will embed it here. Copilot AI, it will be right here. So you can type as I did in ChatGPT. You can do all the stuff here. So if you are heavily used every day in office, you need to work on Excel over 4 hours a day. I recommend you can try to use Copilot, uh, Microsoft. This is what I recommend. Okay. Of course, if you say, "Hey, I want to pay," and my team didn't have such plan, so you can back to ChatGPT. But you need to upload a file of your work, and because this is based on privacy or your team's policy, so I don't know if you can do it. If your team has your own AI, take for example, if your team or your company allow you to work with ChatGPT or any AI tools, go ahead. So you can upload the file. It's okay. But if not, please make sure, ensure with your manager, because you still need to follow office rule. Okay. So this is what I did, like an email, also the cell, so the same. So this is I also did the file, create a function like here. So you can also